appreciation. So in this case, is appreciating, again, internally. Appreciating deeply is appreciating your wholeness. Your own mind, body, heart, spirit. It's same as saying, appreciating your energetic wholeness. Whichever way you can focus on the appreciation, whether appreciating the change happening, slow the process of acceptance and activation, or appreciating different part of your body, or appreciating the new experience arising in terms of responding to life from a place of more consciousness, more empowerment, more connection within. Might be appreciating from a new insight arise in this process. New feeling of more love, more compassion. Or a new connection, more energetic than just mental story. Or more than just this label of good and bad, right, wrong, should, shouldn't. And deeply is appreciation rise from the internal empowerment. You're empowering yourself. The extension of the appreciation is appreciating others from that place. Even appreciating the challenge you're facing as opportunity. Not only to learn, but to empower yourself. Not only just waiting for resolution or solution, and you're experiencing the resolution in your heart, in your energy body.